Hey friends, Running Kimono here. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about a news story that broke on Tuesday, the 29th of July. And I'm going to talk a little bit about it, give you some of my opinions, but I encourage you to go find your news site that you use and look up the info on this so you are well versed and have the information on this story. So Procter and Gamble, that is the parent company to a lot of items that we buy as couponers, said they are raising the prices um, of 25% of select items. And they have hundreds of items in their catalog. And they said in the story that starting next month, so they're releasing the story on the 29th, and then you got 2 days till the next month. So thanks for the awesome, like this should have been on the 1st of July, but whatever. Single digit percentage. So a product that, say it's 5%, my understanding is that, say a product is $9.99, it'd be an extra 50 cents. But if you add that on a lot of products in a transaction, that's going to start being dollars and cents. And as you can see, P&G, all of these products are part of their company. And we do enough deals that I'm pretty sure you know what a P&G product is. It's a lot more than Tide, but a lot of us suspect that like Tide and Dawn, like the popular stuff, Olay, those will probably be the first wave of the 25% of products that'll have a price increase. But we have the opportunity here as couponers to stock up on products before prices become really out there. If you are a reseller, your products like Tide and Downy and stuff that you use for your household, I would probably slow down on reselling them, especially if you use them or if you like to use a select variety. Um, and then just be really, really mindful of things. And when you see a video for toilet paper deals, maybe participate because this is ridiculous. So a couple days ago, I was at Meijer, and I always walk down that aisle with the detergent and stuff. I always want to see what's new, and that's my place in the store, like always. So I'm like moonwalking and walking around, and I noticed that at this grocery store here in the Midwest, $13.99 for this 190 counter, and this has always been classically like $12.99 on a non-sales week. And I was like, wow, that's like really expensive. It's already $1 more. And I looked up Walmart today too. So that's $12.97, which is a typical price. And they have a Walmart cash deal as well. So like they're spot on with the deals. But when this disappears and they start adding an extra 50 cents or $1 to this product at Walmart, I think something's going to hit the fan. Because I think with the price of gas and food and rent, we're already strapped. And then this on top of it, I think P&G held out as long as they could, and their hand is being forced. I think probably a lot of the plastics and components to put all this together, it probably comes from China. So it's easy to figure out why they have to give us the extra 50 cents or $1, why we're going to have to pay that. But I, again, recommend that you read stories and get versed and have your own opinion on this. Just don't take it at my word. I'm just sharing this information so when we see some of these prices really jump, that you're not like, hey, why is that? This is why. Now, with that being said, a lot of us couponers have the option to buy other companies' products, all Purex, Arm& Hammer, all fine products. But if you are brand loyal to, say, Red Tide, would you still spend that extra dollar or 50 cents for it? That is the question. Typically at our house, we are not brand loyal with anything. Whatever we have on hand is what we use, and I use everything to the last drop. I've never understood people that are so loyal to Dawn dish soap, for example. I'll use Palmolive, whatever's the cheapest to wash our dishes, and I'm not brand loyal to anything, especially if I'm getting something really cheap like Palmolive um, at Walgreens or whatever. But I think between now and November, when the next fiscal time will happen on the calendar, stock up. I would definitely stock up if you have a little bit more room. Grow your stockpile. Follow these coupon deals a little bit, you know, I would follow them just a little bit harder to grow your stockpile. And if I'm wrong, you'll have a really wonderful stockpile. If I'm right, you're not going to be paying, an extra $2 or $3 for something that you use all the time. I don't know if those will be the prices, but I mean, we're all being surprised by this with 2 days notice, which I don't really like. The Dollar General clearance event, again, for the millionth time, it's very important when you can get stuff really, really cheap. I'll link the video right here. A lot of us will be out and about on Friday. I recommend you try. Even for some little detergent deals, it's totally worth it. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.